Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. Sorry for the background noise, my furnace is running because, well, it's starting to get cold out. All of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's really easy to find. And then I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those are going to be links that take you to a long list of items that I've mentioned in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up is the Tekton 3-piece Auto Flex Universal Joint Set. And I mentioned this, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago now. I had an old Motive X spring-loaded universal and quarter-inch drive that I got, I think, from Toolhead's crate back when that first started up. And then I came across this guy right here. I think I paid $17, $18 for it. Yeah, the quarter-inch drive extension with a hex base and a spring-loaded universal built into the extension. Thought that was super cool. They have 3/8 drive. They have a 3-piece set. They have these universal joints just individually, and then they also have the 3-piece set. And it just makes sense to buy the 3-piece set because it's $22.43 on sale, down from a list price of $24. So a little bit of savings, but much cheaper than it would be if you were to buy them individually, because you save quite a bit of money buying the 3-piece set. If you've never used a spring-loaded universal, they are pretty dang handy. I'm really surprised that I guess they were created quite a few years back, and they just never picked up popularity. I don't know if people just didn't know about them or what, but they are fantastic. And so a lot of manufacturers or a lot of brands didn't make them, and now they're starting to become more and more popular again. This is nice because it always wants to return to center. They can handle quite a bit of weight without completely falling over. So it's just a really cool design and very, very affordable. This has 4.8 stars, 193 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Wheel Hub Cleaning Kit, and this is from a brand I've never heard of. Teofix, I don't know. But I've looked at a lot of these Wheel Hub cleaning tools, and I've used a couple different brands, and a lot of them out there are just plain garbage. A lot of them are made of really, really cheap plastic, and it doesn't take very long at all to quickly go through them, especially the way the discs attach to the plastic housing. Not great, maybe weekend word DIY where you're going to use this thing once every 2-3 years, but this is already really affordable. It's actually made of metal, so it's going to be much more durable than a lot of the other brands out there I've seen. That they all just have a few reviews, and a majority of them are negative reviews. This is one of the first ones I've found that actually has positive reviews and is reviewed for this type of tool quite a bit. So this is going to include 3 pads and the tool itself, the holder and adapter, fits power drill or 1/2-inch drive impact, but they have the attachment back here behind my big dumb head. So you can throw this on a 1/2-inch impact in a drill or an impact driver. And it's going to come with all 3 of those discs for $16.58. The typical price is $18. And here you can kind of see what this tool is designed for if you've never used one before. The other thing that's really nice is right here on the same link, you can find the cleaning pads for $7. So if I were to purchase this, I would probably buy, probably 3 sets of the cleaning discs, just because I don't know this brand. I don't know how long it's going to be around, but I definitely know that this one is going to be a much higher quality than a lot of the plastic ones out there. And when these discs go bad, if I come around and find out that this isn't available anymore, then I'm stuck trying to find discs for it. So I would at least pick up a few sets of discs with it if you're going to be using this a decent amount. But I think it's priced really well. It's got 4.4 stars, 54 ratings. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Next up, we're looking at the Capri Tools 3/8 drive wobble extension set, or wobble plus extension set. This does have the feature of just being a regular extension, and then it also has the additional feature of wobble, so you can get that angle. And Capri is one of the only brands out there that I've used that I actually enjoy. There are a few brands out there that just don't. This square base here A lot of brands don't exaggerate that base, so the socket falls into the wobble position really easily on a lot of these cheaper brands. Capri did it right. There's a nice exaggerated base there for the socket to sit in, to just be a normal extension. And then when you pull it out for the wobble feature, you get up to 15 degrees of angle, which is really nice. If I don't have to use a universal, then I'm not going to. So it is nice to be able to achieve that angle with just the extension. So you got your little blow molded tray that it sits in. Keeps everything nice and neat. And these are available in all three drive sizes. 1/4 inch at $25 down from $30. The 3/8 is at $19.93 down from $30. And the 1/2 inch drive is down from $40 to $30. So savings on all three of them. This is the lowest price in 30 days. And this has 4.7 stars, 889 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Tone Short Ratchet. So this is a 1/4 inch size ratchet with a 3/8 drive head on it, or a 3/8 drive anvil. And a lot of people really enjoy these. There's not many out there. There's not many manufacturers that offer this, and this one's priced really well. This isn't on sale, but there aren't very many people, or there aren't very many makers out there that have a ratchet like this, and a couple of them are quite expensive. This is a very well-known brand. You will see this at $31, $32 sometimes, so this is actually a lower price for this ratchet, even though it doesn't say that it's on sale. If you guys don't know, it is a Japan brand, so everything that I've owned from Japan has always been extremely high quality. And so if you're one that's looking for a 1/4 inch drive size ratchet with a 3/8 drive, this is definitely a good one to consider. This has 4.8 stars, 169 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the WorkPro 1/2 inch drive lug nut impact socket set. This is a 3-piece set. It's going to include 17, 19, and 21, as you can see there. They do have like an electro coating on them. And this is just metric. They don't have SAE available. I do think they have a 5-piece set available as well, but those are also all metric. And these are thin wall sockets, so they allow you to work with wheels with really tight clearances around the lug nuts, or if you're working with high-end wheels, you don't want to do damage, whether they're high-end wheels or not. If you're working, especially if you're working on somebody else's stuff, you want to prevent damage as much as possible. These have a plastic liner over them. The socket themselves is a much thinner socket than your standard impact socket. They are impact rated. You can also buy these individually, $10 or $11 a piece, or the whole set for $19.54, down from a list price of $23. There are tons of other brands out there that have these thin wall lug nut socket sets. This is a really nice variety for weekend warriors, DIYers that don't need a 10, 11 piece set. Like I have the big one from Harbor Freight. Fantastic set. For here at home, it's completely overkill. I use 2 or 3 on a regular basis, and that's about it. So as long as this has the coverage that you need, this is going to be fantastic for those weekend warriors, DIYers, for a really affordable price. Comes on a nice little aluminum rails also. Under $20, 4.4 stars, 77 ratings. Also keep in mind that Black Friday is next week, so some of these that are on sale should still be good deals. They may be cheaper next week. Not 100% sure. There's also a couple items that I'm showing you this week that aren't on sale that maybe will be on sale next week. No guarantees, but I know Woobin, the flashlight company, I've reviewed a few of their flashlights. They will have some sales. Asperex, little power station, power bank, they're going to have some things on sale. WorkPro is also going to have some things on sale. So just keep that in mind. Really close to those good sales, or better sales, hopefully, than what we've seen. Hopefully you guys find some good deals. This is the new Tekton combination hammer, and I follow Tekton pretty closely, and this is one product that I never even knew they released. I saw them, their videos and pictures when they release new tools. I don't know if I remember seeing them post a video or anything about these. And this is actually made by another company. It's a German company. This is Halder USA, but Halder is the original maker, I believe, of these. Ferroplex combi hammer. It's a combination hammer with a steel face and a soft face mallet on one side, as you can see there. Same exact hammer. Tekton is selling their hammers now. Just keep in mind that Casey Tool, Home Depot will sell the Halder brand, and just knowing that, you just want to double check prices of these hammers from other places. But Tekton is always a reliable one to purchase from if you're wanting a really good warranty. Sometimes their prices are better than the original brand, sometimes slightly higher. It just depends. Doing your research can really help save a few dollars here and there. I think it's just a great product, but I will wait for a better price. And they do have a few different size options available as well, but this one specifically is the 21 ounce. It doesn't have any reviews or ratings or anything because it is a new product, and I feel like it wasn't one that Tekton actually pushed out to the public, which I don't know why, because I really like the design. Hopefully we see it on sale here soon. And I believe that Tekton product was just added at the end of October. This multi-bit screwdriver from Wera. This is the 7-in-1 bit holding screwdriver with the removable shaft, so you can adjust the length and or just completely remove it. I like that it comes with the little travel pouch, internal bit storage, and $35.39, down from a list price of basically $60. And it will sometimes go up to that $55, $60 price range, but it'll be for like 1 to 3 days, and then it'll come back down to this price. So this isn't like a deal that you're going to miss out on if you check it in a couple days and it's $55. Give it a day or two, check again. Most likely you'll be able to find it at this price. I just think this is a really nice little EDC multi-bit screwdriver, or if you like a multi-bit, I think this is a good one to consider. Phillips slotted in square. You can always swap in whatever bits. Like, I don't use square bits, so I would probably swap in some Torx. But this has 4.7 stars, 740 ratings, and is priced very well. The last one for the week is another WorkPro product. This is their 1/4-inch drive socket set. It's a 10-piece metric set. It's going to come on this little aluminum rail. 6-point sockets, shallow, 4 to 13 millimeter. And I wanted to mention these because I hadn't seen these before. It is $14 for this set, but there is a $2 coupon. All of these have a hex base. This is not something that you typically see. I've seen, your super stubby or shallow impact sockets with a hex base, but I hadn't seen these. So it does only go up to 13, where, a lot of brands now with 1/4-inch drive, they're going 14, some even 15. Love those. But still, I thought this was really interesting. So, I guess you could, grab it with your fingers as well and help spin it, with it having, not a round base. I'd say it'd still be less awkward than the Milwaukee square sockets. Prevents rolling, that's true. And I don't think they're saying that these are any shorter than your standard shallow sockets. I think it's just, a design that they wanted to use where it's going to prevent the socket from rolling away. It's also going to allow you to work in tighter spaces if you can't get a ratchet on the back side of the socket. Maybe you don't necessarily need an extra shallow socket. You just need to be able to work it with a wrench. I think it's a pretty cool design. It's definitely not going to be for everybody, but it's extremely affordable at it's almost $3 off, actually, $2.80. The cents is just super tiny. So let's say $3 off, so $11 for this set. I don't think that's bad at all. This has 4.8 stars, 26 ratings, and they do have metric and SAE in both 1/4-inch drive and 3/8 for both. I thought that was pretty interesting. Let me know your guys' thoughts, but that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Best of luck finding some good deals next week as well. I'll try to have a video released for that. It's kind of hard to do those last minute ones, but I'll do my best. And other than that, have a great weekend. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.